Class B camper vans continue to dominate the RV market in 2026, offering the perfect combination of mobility, comfort, and adventure-ready features. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips, weekend camping escapes, or full-time van life, today's camper vans provide impressive technology, off-grid capabilities, and luxury amenities in a compact package. From rugged overland explorers to premium touring coaches, these vehicles are designed to make travel easier and more enjoyable. Here are the 10 best Class B camper vans worth owning in 2026. Number 1. Winnebago Travato. The Winnebago Travato is one of America's best-selling Class B camper vans, offering comfort, efficiency, and easy drivability. Built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, it uses a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. At just over 21 feet long, it is easy to maneuver through cities, campgrounds, and scenic routes. Inside, the Travato features a modern living area with a fully equipped kitchen, wet bath, dining space, and flexible sleeping arrangements for two. Depending on the floor plan, owners can choose twin beds that convert into a larger sleeping area. Solar panels, LED lighting, USB charging ports, and touchscreen controls come standard. Premium models include the PowerMax lithium energy system for extended off-grid capability. Advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring enhance confidence. The 2026 Winnebago Travato starts at approximately $183,783. Number 2. Roadtrek Zion. The Roadtrek Zion is a premium Class B camper van designed for travelers seeking comfort and versatility. Built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, it features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Its compact size makes driving easy while providing a spacious interior. The Zion offers an open-concept layout with a large center aisle suitable for carrying bikes and outdoor gear. Inside, you'll find a refrigerator, propane stove, microwave, slide-out pantry, and solid-surface countertops. A wet bath includes a shower, sink, and marine toilet. The rear power sofa converts into twin beds or a king-size bed. Technology highlights include a 600-amp lithium battery system, 300 watts of solar power, a 3,000-watt inverter, smart TV, and touchscreen controls. The 2026 Roadtrek Zion starts at approximately $159,325. Number 3. Airstream Interstate 19. The Airstream Interstate 19 is a luxury touring coach that combines premium craftsmanship with outstanding mobility. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it is powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Measuring only 19 feet long, it fits easily into standard parking spaces while maintaining impressive interior comfort. Inside, owners enjoy premium upholstery, handcrafted cabinetry, LED lighting, and panoramic windows. The rear seating area converts into a comfortable sleeping space for two. The kitchenette includes a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and sink, while a wet bath provides shower and toilet facilities. Modern technology includes lithium batteries, solar charging, touchscreen controls, USB ports, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. Mercedes-Benz safety systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and collision prevention features. The 2026 Airstream Interstate 19 has a starting price of $257,900. Number 4. Thor Sequence. The Thor Sequence is a versatile Class B camper van designed for travelers who value comfort and technology. Built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, it is powered by a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, generating 280 horsepower and paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The compact design allows easy maneuverability while providing a spacious interior. Inside, the Sequence features premium cabinetry, LED lighting, residential-style flooring, and flexible sleeping arrangements. The kitchen includes a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, sink, and ample storage. A wet bath with shower and cassette toilet adds convenience. Thor equips the Sequence with lithium batteries, solar charging capability, touchscreen controls, USB charging ports, roof air conditioning, and smart entertainment features. Safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and a backup camera. The 2026 Thor Sequence carries a starting MSRP of approximately $164,850. Number 5. Coachmen Galleria. The Coachmen Galleria is a luxury Class B motorhome built for premium touring and long-distance travel. Constructed on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 XD extended chassis, it features a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing 211 horsepower paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The refined interior includes handcrafted cabinetry, premium seating, LED lighting, and solid surface countertops. Large windows create an open atmosphere, while the rear lounge converts into a comfortable bed for two. The kitchen offers a refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, sink, and generous storage. Advanced technology includes lithium battery power, solar charging, touchscreen controls, USB ports, and entertainment systems. Mercedes-Benz safety features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and active brake assist provide added security. Price is $244,950. Number 6. Pleasureway Plateau FL. The Pleasureway Plateau FL is a luxury Class B camper van offering exceptional comfort and craftsmanship. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, it uses a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing 211 horsepower paired with a 9G-tronic automatic transmission. Its innovative dual lounge floor plan maximizes interior space and flexibility. Swivel captain's chairs create a front lounge, while the rear power sofa converts into a queen-size bed. Premium finishes include Corian countertops, ultra-leather seating, soft-close cabinetry, and LED lighting. The galley kitchen features an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and pull-out pantry. Technology highlights include 600 ampere-hour lithium batteries, a 3000-watt inverter, touchscreen controls, solar integration, and Truma climate systems. Safety systems from Mercedes-Benz further enhance the driving experience. Combining luxury and practicality, the 2026 Pleasureway Plateau FL has an exact starting MSRP of $224,282. Number 7. Storyteller Overland MODE LT. The Storyteller Overland MODE LT is an adventure-focused camper van designed for serious off-grid exploration. Built on the Ford Transit AWD chassis, it is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 engine producing 310 horsepower and paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The van features the patented Dreamweaver bed system, swiveling front seats, flexible lounge seating, and ample cargo space for outdoor gear. The kitchen includes a refrigerator, freezer, induction cooktop, sink, and microwave. For extended travel, the MODE LT offers advanced lithium power systems, solar charging, sheep's wool insulation, air conditioning, heating, and multiple charging ports. Exterior upgrades include all-terrain tires, roof rack, side ladder, and powered awning. Designed for rugged adventures without sacrificing comfort, the Storyteller Overland MODE LT has a starting MSRP of $153,748 in the United States. Number 8. Embassy Traveler. The Embassy Traveler is a premium luxury Class B motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 XD chassis. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing 211 horsepower and a 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The interior showcases handcrafted cabinetry, premium leather seating, solid surface countertops, and elegant finishes throughout. Large panoramic windows create an open feel, while the rear lounge converts into a comfortable sleeping area for two. The galley includes a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and stainless steel sink. Modern technology features lithium battery systems, solar charging capability, touchscreen controls, Wi-Fi readiness, USB charging ports, and climate control systems. Mercedes-Benz driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and active brake assist improve safety. Combining luxury and practicality, the Embassy Traveler has a starting MSRP of $229,900 in the United States. Number 9. Hymer Aktiv. The Hymer Aktiv is a practical and versatile Class B camper van inspired by European design and engineering. Built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, it is powered by a 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6 engine producing 280 horsepower. Despite its compact dimensions, the Aktiv provides a spacious interior with high-quality cabinetry, LED lighting, and large windows. The rear lounge converts into a comfortable sleeping area, while the dining table offers flexibility for meals and work. The galley includes a refrigerator, 2-burner cooktop, microwave, sink, and storage compartments. One of its biggest strengths is off-grid capability, thanks to solar panels, lithium batteries, and an inverter system. A wet bath with shower, sink, and toilet adds convenience. Though primarily available on the used market today, the Hymer Aktiv originally carried a starting price of approximately $129,995. Number 10. Entegra Ethos. The Entegra Ethos is a stylish Class B camper van designed for travelers seeking comfort and off-grid capability. Built on the Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis, it features a 3.6-liter Pentastar 5.6 engine producing 280 horsepower paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Inside, the Ethos offers high-gloss European-style cabinetry, LED lighting, swivel captain's chairs, and flexible sleeping arrangements. Depending on the floor plan, owners can choose twin beds or a king-size sleeping area. The galley kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, sink, and storage compartments. Off-grid features include a 200-watt solar system, generator, heated holding tanks, Truma combi heating and hot water system, Firefly multiplex controls, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. Additional conveniences include a powered awning, exterior shower, and backup camera. The 2026 Entegra Ethos 20T has a starting MSRP of $183,855. The best Class B camper van ultimately depends on your travel style, budget, and adventure goals. Whether you prioritize luxury, off-grid performance, fuel efficiency, or everyday drivability, the 2026 lineup offers something for every traveler. These camper vans combine innovative technology, comfortable living spaces, and dependable performance to create unforgettable journeys. As van life continues to grow in popularity, investing in one of these top-rated Class B campers can open the door to endless freedom and exploration.